What's up guys, today let's make this delicious beef rib beef, whatever you call it, and we are eating it today with rice and some avocado. So first of all, we get our ribs. I have here some ribs available. So what we are going to do is just simply chop it into desirable size, small pieces depending on how you want it. So you just basically chop it. So I ended up chopping just one piece because I thought the two pieces would be so much just for one person eating, so I had to put the other piece aside and just worked on with one piece, as you can see. So this is just enough. So next thing, I'll just put my saucepan with some water and then add the chopped pieces into the water, and then I'll heat the pan, and then after I'll add some rosemary sticks, whatever, and then just for the good scent of it. Then I'll also add salt so that it can boil with it. Then I'll basically just add some garlic and then cover it, let it boil for maybe 30 minutes. In between, you can mix her. Also, make sure that you prepare your other stuff. Here I'll be cutting onions, so you can get all sorts of pepper you want to use. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper, whatever you want to use. You just chop everything to just get each and everything ready. So here we have everything chopped, and then also I chopped tomatoes as well, as you can see. So after that, we go back and check our sauce. It has boiled for quite some time. So at this point, I'll just basically put it away and then put a new saucepan. Sorry guys for my old rugged saucepan, but we are going to use it for now. Put some oil, and then after that, add the pieces that were boiled into the oil. So after adding those pieces, just mix it together. Then cover it and let it cook in not so much heat until it is slightly golden brown. Meanwhile, on the other hand, I'll use the broth that we got from it to make some rice. So I'll just basically add some water to that broth and then just put a little cooking oil, and then after I'll add the rice. Just 1 cup of rice is enough, or depending on how many people are going to eat. So you can do 1 or 1.5, and then mix it and then let the rice cook in super low heat. So we come back this way and our beef is golden brown, so we just turn around the other side, and then once all the sides are okay, we add our onions, then mix it, let it cook for maybe a minute or 2. So after it has cooked, you can also add all the peppers that you have cut and then mix it all together. Also let this cook for maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. So I'll cover it. Then after that, you can mix it again, and then lastly you add your tomatoes. So with the tomatoes, you'll also mix it again. Mix the tomato properly and then cover it, let it cook for about 3 minutes. Keep mixing in between. And once everything is mixed and ready, you can see it already looks delicious. At this point you can add some spices if you want to. So I'll add a little black pepper, I'll add some curry, and then this is incomplete without Royco, so add some little Royco, mix everything together, and after mixing it I'll just add a little water. Yes, little water, and then mix it again, then let it boil in low heat for just a few minutes. And there, now you can see our sauce is ready, everything is ready, the soup is thick. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look at that. So after that we get our rice ready. Our rice is also almost ready, and once the rice is ready, time to serve. So we shall serve our rice. Then serve the sauce on the side, and then add maybe some veggies or fruit. Here we are eating it with avocado, and this is what we made today. I hope you guys can try out this recipe and let me know how it turns out. And it is super easy, delicious. I'll see you in the next video.